Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here and God bless you. So today's video is going to be a wig review for a company called Wigonly. They reached out to me wanting to send me a wig and to try it out for you guys so you guys can see basically how it looks and you guys can basically hear my opinion on it. So I was like, yeah, no problem, I would love to. So yeah, this wig though, you guys. Okay, when I saw this wig online, it had Kim Kardashian on it and with the same type of hairstyle, and I was like, you know what, I always wanted to try short hair, but not like too short, but just like a short cut, because I always get like 28 inches hair, you know. So I was like, okay, I really want to try like short hair, so I was like, let me just try it because it looks bomb on Kim. Kim always looks good with short hair, but like her haircut like this, she always looks nice. So I was like, okay, let me just try it. And I love it so much. I love it so much. Okay, so basically, let me just tell you about the wig. We'll just get into this, okay? Okay, so the wig is called Wigonly. That's where the company's called. It comes in this box right here, this nice black box. And when you open it up, you just have your wig in a plastic bag. Like, it's nothing, you know, special about it or anything like that. Just comes in a normal plastic bag like this. This was underneath the wig, and then the net was around the hair, just to keep the hair nice. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so this wig is called the Kim Long Straight Hair Full Lace Front Wig, and the length of this is a 12, so this is 12 inches, which I think is a really good, you know, length for short hair. I mean, I want to try a little shorter just to see what it would look like, but to start me off, I'm happy that I got, like, you know, this length. So this is a 12 inch. The hair color is number B1, so it's an off black. It's not like a jet black, it's an off black. And I like that a lot. The cap construction is a cap 2. The lace color is light brown, so the lace color would be like the color of the lace. What did I just say? The lace color is just the lace color, okay? The lace color is called, it's in light brown. And the cap size is average, so I have an average size head. I wouldn't say I have a big head, I wouldn't say I have a small head. I know my face is long, but my head around here is just, I would say, average. So I got an average size cap size, and the density of the hair is 130. Now I wish I did get this hair in the full density that they do provide, because I think the full density is a 150. I don't know, I was just so scared that the bottom of it would be like really thick, you know what I'm saying? So I was like, okay, let me just get a 130 density, because it probably would be more thinned out at the ends. But honestly though, like, I wish the hair was a little more thicker on the top. I mean, I don't know, you guys tell me, you guys are seeing it on me now, but I do wish that the hair was a little bit more thicker. So if you want like a more thicker look, like, I mean, I like that look, just get the 150 density. I got the 130 density, and I should have got the 150. I think it's 150 density, the highest, I'm not sure. But anyways, if it's not 150 highest density, just get the highest density, okay? Because that's what I should have done, but I didn't. So the wig code, I'll put it here, it's OM007. So I'm not sure if that's like a code to get a discount off on it. I'm not sure, or if that's just a code name for the wig. I have no idea, you guys. It doesn't say. So just try it out. There's like a discount part. Try out those numbers, or those, you know, what I just said here, or what you see here. And if it works, then I mean, hey, good. And if it doesn't, then honestly, like, I don't even know. I'm sorry. Now this wig is going for $139. Let me tell you something, okay? Buying bundles is a lot more harder than just buying a wig. In my opinion, because when you buy bundles, you gotta make the wig, and this is already, like, you know, real human hair, and the wig is already made for you. You just take it out of the box and you put it on. You don't gotta think about, okay, I gotta go buy a wig cap, I gotta go buy needle and thread, or you don't have to think about none of that. You just take the wig out the box and put it on. So that's why I think that the 130, like 139 for this wig is definitely worth it, because you're not doing anything other than just taking out the box and putting it on your head. You know what I'm saying? And it's a lace front, like a full lace front wig. So yeah, I didn't glue down the ends, because I mean, I was gonna wear it like this, but when I do pluck it, like when I pluck the front and stuff, which I cannot wait to do that, I'm gonna, like, you know, style it really nicely right behind my ears and things like that. You know what I'm saying, girl? But yeah, you can see the lace right here because I didn't glue it down. But yeah, so it's a full lace wig, but I just can't wait till I like, you know, like, pluck it and stuff. Could you guys imagine how good this is gonna look when I pluck it? This is gonna look amazing, sis, okay? But yeah, no, it already does look amazing, but like just the style that I can do with it once I pluck the frontal, like it's gonna be amazing, but even more amazing. But yeah, so the hair feels good. It's really light on the head. In the wig now, it has a comb here, comb here, comb here, and a comb at the back, and then it comes with a drawstring, so that's nice, so you know your wig's gonna be secure on your head, as well as it's really soft. Like this hair is really, really, really soft. Like since I've had this wig, it has not tangled on me at all, which is really nice, because I hate hair that when you get it, it's good, and then after like a week or two, it's like tough. You know what I'm saying? It's like, is this human hair or not? But no, it's like a really, 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 really good good hair. It feels like really good hair, and it does not, like, I'm telling you right now, you guys, I put hairspray in this, I put product in this, and it just, it's holding up. It's still looking really, really, really nice. I love it, you guys. It looks really, 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 really good. I love it. Okay, guys, so anyways, I will put their information down in the description box below, so you guys could check them out and try out this wig. I really hope that that was a discount code, because if it is a discount code, like, that's even better. To get it less than $139 would be even more bomb. So I hope that's a discount code. If it's not, I'm so sorry, you guys, but yeah, I will put the link to the wig down below, as well as a link to their website, and as well as a link to their Instagram, because they have an Instagram account too. So if you want to look at their Instagram, you know, if that makes you feel more better than to just go on the website and go look, you can go on their Instagram and look at other people who've tried their wigs out, and you can, you know, not only take my word for it, but take their words for it as well too. You can do that as well. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this wig review. Thank you so much again to Wigonly for sending me this hair. I've had this hair for a long time, and this video is so overdue, you guys. Very, very, very overdue. But right when I was like, so many things happened, it was like crazy. Like the last like 3 months has been like crazy. But yeah, thank you so much to Wigonly for being so patient with me, and I'm so happy that you guys sent me this wig, and I'm happy to do this review for you guys. And I genuinely do like this hair, you guys. It's really, really, really soft. I just keep saying how soft. It's really soft, like, and it doesn't tangle. I love that. It just feels so good. Okay, guys. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, as well as hit that thumbs up button. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Bye.